Have you ever had the desire to send your child to one of the private elite schools, and you thought it was impossible? But think again. It is not as difficult as you thought. If you give me the chance to help you, together we can make it happen. Was the desire of working in the tech industry ever cross your mind, but you thought you have to have a college degree to do it? But no, think again. If you allow me the opportunity to help you, not only can I make it happen, I can help you find a program for free in any state, or one that requires a fee but is affordable. And remember, before you even complete your program, you can get a job with a minimum of $55K a year. Do you like apprenticeship training? I can help you as well. Overall, if you are looking for a pharmacy tech, medical assistant, office skills, or want to learn how to drive the bus or train for free, I got you. Call me for a free consultation to discuss the possibilities of changing your life with a 360-degree turn guarantee.